Alrighty, guys. Crowdstrike stock is looking very good on the charts, and it seems like a breakout could be brewing right now. So we have to break that down and go over what I'm doing, as I am a Crowdstrike shareholder. Am I buying more, selling out on the breakout, or am I holding? And later in the video, we'll break down some other companies, maybe the indexes. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and you might as well, while the deal lasts, get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. So again, use that link or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So it's currently about 10:45, 11 a.m. on the East Coast when I'm making this video, and we have all of the indexes slightly in the red. The Russell's down 0.5%, S&P's down 0.3%, with the Dow down about 0.1%, with the NASDAQ down about 0.5%, same with the Russell, and the VIX, funny enough, is down about 2.5% as of right now. But in the midst of this red day, Crowdstrike, CRWD is the ticker, is up around 4%. And take a look here at this chart, guys. We're now trading almost pretty much at a 2-month high. You guys can see we're at $288 per share, and on the 5-day, 5-minute, we've been moving and grooving throughout this entire week. I mean, it looks like we started off the week at about $258 per share, so we're up $30 throughout the course of this week, or about 12% as of now. And on the 20-day chart, you guys can see we're up even more off the lows from the 11th of September, where we hit $242 per share. So we're actually up around 20% off that point, which is really, really good news, guys, in the short term here for the trend. And on the 4-hour time frame, this is where the magic is happening, folks. So if I draw this trend line out, we'll notice one thing that is glaring us in the face right now, right? Or staring at us, whatever, however you want to say it, right? We can see $280 per share. That was support all throughout the year from January up until the IT outage, which that was in the middle of July, right? We were holding 280 all throughout the first 7.5 months of the year. Then we tanked down to 195. I started buying on this dip. I think I bought at 230, 235, a little bit more under that, I believe, as well. And now we're starting to break over that one, which once was support, now resistance at $280 per share. We're now breaking back over it as the stock hit $290 earlier today, and now it's at $288 per share. So this is really good news, guys, that we're starting to retake this 280 level. And not to mention, we're breaking out of the highs from the end of August. We're above the moving averages. We have a golden cross as well here on the 4-hour chart. This is very good news overall for Crowdstrike, right? And if I zoom in a little bit here, guys, we have a cup and handle that's playing out. Maybe you can see it on this 2-hour chart a little bit better. Yeah, cup, handle, that's starting to play out. So all signs are pointing to more upside, at least the way I'm looking at it here on Crowdstrike. And by the way, I could be wrong. We might not go higher here. Who knows, man? It's unpredictable. So please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but for me, I'm long, baby. I'm long and strong. I'm up around, I think my average is like 228 on the stock, something like that. I'm up around 25 to 30% on my position, something like that, in the span of a couple of weeks here. And I do believe we could be going higher, and I'm holding on. And I might even consider buying this breakout. I haven't done it yet. I'm going to wait until next week and see how, it plays out if we fully confirm the breakout on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. But until then, guys, I'm holding on. I'm liking this. I'm loving the price action in the midst of an overall red day right now. And I don't know. I think there could be more upside here on Crowdstrike, and I'm happy I was buying this thing on the dip. And we'll see how the coming quarters come because, listen, we're still noticing, we're still in the midst of the aftermath here after the IT outage. So it's not a slam dunk guarantee that we're just going to rip right back to 400. I mean, who knows? Maybe next quarter, the quarter after that, we could get some weakness. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But as of now, we're looking pretty good. And the company reported earnings not too long ago, guys, about 3 weeks ago. We got their earnings, and let me see if I can even see them here. They did pretty well. I mean, better than you would have thought, and their guidance was pretty solid. So it looks like the stock is digesting the earnings, and we're starting to move up, which is a good sign. And a company that just reported earnings and they're not moving up is FedEx, ticker symbol FDX. A little shift in gears here, guys. FedEx reported earnings, and their stock today is down over 15%. A complete abomination for FedEx here, guys, as they did miss wildly on EPS and revenue. Let me see if I can find it here, guys. And they cut their guidance as well, which is not good. Let's see if I can find the exact number. I can't really see it here, but take my word for it, man. They missed EPS, missed revenue. Looks like here they cut their full year 25 EPS view to $7.90 to $18.90. Let's see here. And they also see full year 25 EPS of $20 to $21 after also excluding costs related to business optimization initiatives. And I think before they were seeing EPS from $20 to $22. So not a major cut on the top end of that range, but they did cut it from $22 to $21 per share for EPS. And just in general, man, they're noticing profits are getting eaten into. I was reading that people are not choosing the most profitable delivery options for FedEx. They're waiting a little bit more time to send their packages, receive their packages. So that's hurting FedEx as of now in the short term. And the funny thing is we're still noticing a lot of bullish analysts here. It looks like Evercore ISI Group maintains outperform on FedEx, although they did lower their price target to $318 per share. Looks like BofA Securities adjusted FedEx price target to $308 from $345, but still maintaining a buy rating on the stock. And UBS maintains a buy on FedEx, and they're lowering their price target as well to $311. So we're noticing a lot of firms are still bullish, but they're lowering their price target. And who knows, man, this could be a nice recovery play if it's able to hold around 245, 255, which was support, it looks like, here in the beginning of June before the last earnings report, which, funny enough, guys, they reported earnings early June, and the stock shot up like crazy. Now we pretty much gave back all those gains. You guys can see we went from 250 to about 300 last time they reported, and now just yesterday we went from 300 down at 250, so we gave back all the gains. But in general, FedEx has kind of been trading in this window for the whole year, or a lot of the year so far, between 245, 250 to about 300. So I'm looking to see maybe just maybe, do we get a pop off this point, maybe for some sort of relief rally? Do you guys see what I'm saying? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to go too long in this one. Let me know your thoughts on Crowdstrike and FedEx in the comments down below. Run the likes up, by the way, and make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. I appreciate you all for tuning in as always, and you might as well get up to 15 stocks for a Moo with at least a $100 deposit, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. That's linked down below, and the comment is pinned down below as well. And join the mailing list. It's free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks right to your inbox every single Monday morning. That's linked down below. Just put your first name and your email. No spam, no BS, just straight up stocks and charts. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next one.